morning. It is 8:30 and it is Vlogmas day 19. That's crazy. Woke up earlier today, so that was good. The thing I need to work on is not going on my phone in the morning, which I know is bad, but it's a habit I have to break. I have physical therapy at 9:50, and I think I'm going to grab some coffee before going to that, just to have in there with me. It's not like I do difficult exercises. We're still working on like the basics, so I'm mostly sitting the whole time, so hopefully I can enjoy that cup of coffee. I don't really know what I have planned today, but come along with me for the ride. See if I can get lunch with a friend later. I have to pick my sister up from school at 3 o'clock. I don't really have anything else to say right now, so I'll see you later. Bye. Okay, I'm heading to my physical therapy appointment, but I just wanted to let you know that this outfit is the result of me not having any clothes here, or in general. I don't know. But it's... yay. Part 2 of my windshield being frozen over. 2 days in a row, yay! So now I have to wait for this to defrost. Okay, I just stopped at Starbucks, got myself a tall peppermint mocha, and I also got a plain bagel with butter, so I'm gonna spread the butter. I have about 12 minutes till I have to go in for physical therapy, so better eat fast. Okay, right now I'm in my car and I'm driving to meet my friend for lunch. Let's go, baby, I'm hungry. I picked up Sarah from school. She's driving now. She's wearing my coat.
I got lots of compliments on it today.
Did you, actually? Yeah, it's
Everybody
fine.
asked me, they were like, where is it from? And I was like, my sister's closet.
Absolutely not going to believe this. Literally, I picked Sarah up like a half hour ago and we got an alert on our phone saying like extreme storm warning, like whiteout, stay off the streets. But I looked at my weather app and it wasn't supposed to snow, so I thought like maybe it's just not going to hit like near us. And then I literally looked out the window 5 minutes ago. It was just getting cloudier and cloudier. And then I look out the window and it's like blizzarding. Can you see this? Wait, let's go to the front door. What is going on? Literally, it's like blizzarding and I don't know why this happened, but I'm kind of obsessed with it and I'm cold, so I'm going back inside. You guys, I've literally been talking about how much I've wanted it to snow the entire past week, and it looks so pretty right now. And I just hope that it doesn't stop. I want it to be a snowstorm. Like, I want to be trapped in my house watching Christmas movies all night. That's all I want. But like the weather app still doesn't even say it's snowing, which is insane because we got an alert. Sarah wants me to drive her to the gym, so I guess I'm going to do that and hope that I will be able to pick her up later. It started 2 minutes ago and it's already sticking. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Yay! Say hi. I think it's stopping, but I don't want it to.
When you stand in the snow.
You guys, I think it's stopping. I'm actually gonna get ready for bed. The Christmas movie I'm watching tonight, I'm so excited for. I'm gonna be watching the first Santa Claus movie, which is one of my personal favorite Christmas movies. So I can't wait for that. And I'm gonna say goodnight. See you tomorrow. Happy day 19. We're cutting it close now.